Today we discuss about Mystery of Flight 571. World's greatest miracle. Imagine this. A perfect day. Bright skies. Laughter everywhere. Young faces filled with hope. Friends joking. Dreams being made. Slow-motion smiles. Carefree moments. No one knows that in just a few hours, this happiness will turn into silence. They believe this is just another flight. A short journey. Nothing more. But the truth is, this flight is about to become a line between life and death. This is not just a plane. This is Flight 571. October 13th, 1972. Uruguayan Air Force Flight 571. On board are 45 passengers, mostly young rugby players from the Old Christians Club, along with their friends and family. The plane takes off from Montevideo. Destination, Santiago, Chile. Ahead lie the Andes Mountains. Massive, silent, unforgiving. And this is where everything begins to go wrong. The pilot believes the aircraft has cleared the mountains, but it hasn't. Suddenly, a wing strikes the mountain. A violent explosion, metal screaming through the air. The plane breaks apart mid-air. When everything stops, 12 people are already dead. The survivors are injured, bleeding, terrified, and stranded in one of the most dangerous places on Earth. This is the Andes Mountains. At night, temperatures fall to minus 30 degrees Celsius. The cold burns. The sun blinds during the day. The broken fuselage becomes their shelter, their prison. Almost no food, no proper clothing, no medical help, and rescue feels impossibly far away. Then comes a radio message. The search has been called off. Those words destroy what little hope remains. No one is coming.
It hurts.
No one knows they are alive.
We're here.
Hunger grows stronger every day.
Almost done here.
Bodies grow weaker.
Listen,
And then
it's
they
working.
face the hardest
Quiet,
decision
someone's
of their
on.
lives.
Survivors, we see
There is
your
no
signal.
food
Hold
left.
position. Help is on the way.
Only the
We're
bodies of
coming.
their
Let's
friends
move.
who did not survive. After days of fear, prayer, and tears, they make an unthinkable choice. To stay alive, they will use the flesh of the dead. This was not a choice of desire. It was a choice of survival. Not cruelty, not madness, pure desperation. One night, as they sleep, the mountain moves. An avalanche crashes down. The plane is buried under snow. 8 more lives are lost. Now, only 16 survivors remain. Trapped, broken, but still breathing. 2 young men step forward. Nando Parado, Roberto Canessa. They understand one truth. If we stay here, we will die. No map, no climbing gear, no training. Only willpower. They walk into the mountains. 10 days, endless snow, pain, hunger. And then, a miracle. A distant figure, a Chilean shepherd. Life returns. The message reaches the world. Helicopters are dispatched. After 72 days, the impossible happens. 16 people are rescued alive. Doctors are stunned. The world is speechless. No one believed survival was possible here. But they were wrong. Flight 571 was not just a crash. It was a test of human limits. A story that proves when everything is taken away, when hope is almost gone, the human spirit can still survive. That is why this story lives on. That is why it is remembered as the world's greatest miracle.